Hello everybody, welcome to Harkins Technology. Today I'm going to do another Capture the Flag challenge from 2023 100 CTF. Here is the challenge. Here's our hint. Chicken wings. I ordered chicken wings at the local restaurant, but this isn't what I was expecting. And to look at the file itself, I'm going to open and detect it easy to see what kind of file it is. I usually open and detect it easy and look at the magic header of the file in hex to see what the file actually is, because a lot of times in capture the flags the file say it's something but it's actually something else. And while that's loading, we can actually open it and see what it looks like for font too, see if it's ASCII or something. This looks like it's probably some type of emoji font. So I'm guessing we need an emoji font decoder. Chicken wing font. Or emoji font or something. Wingding font. Let's try a Wingding decoder. Wingding font decoder to ASCII. I know I've used this site in the past for other stuff, but I don't know if that's gonna work for this one. There we go. Easy as that. Here goes the flag for this Wingding font. It was just a simple font decoder. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next video.